and this one's made different, and it has a 45, then it goes up right there.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have the bed off of a Dodge Ram here. This one got hit down low in this back corner and wadded up this bedside really well. So it's gonna get a new bedside, which I have right here. So I'm gonna get to cutting that off. Then once I get that cut off, it also gets this inner brace, which is wadded up underneath there as well, which goes right in that corner back behind there. So I'm gonna get this outer panel cut off, then I'll get into, you'll be able to see this piece a little better inside of there. I missed a few welds right down here. So I was trying to get this new part to fit, and it has these holes that actually line up right here, and at the top, and it wasn't wanting to fit at all, and I was having a hard time figuring out why. So I started comparing it to the old part, and it turns out this one, the old part has a perfect 90-degree angle right here, and this one's made different, and it has a 45, then it goes up right there. So it's actually stamped completely different in this area. The rest of it looks right. Not sure why, but it will not fit. So they're making some phone calls to the dealer to try to figure out what is going on here. So this one's gonna be on hold for now until we figure that out.